Hello everybody, this is Eric from chastity-shop and I'm going to show you in this video how to solder the top part of the Open Your Heart chastity key by soldering the pendant eye on top using a flame of 3200 degrees Celsius, very hot flame, and I will show you in the video how to solder the top of a key. This is boraxine to cover the silver key, to protect it against oxygen. And with boraxine you get a really nice soldered top part. The solder I use is silver solder with a melting temperature of 750 degrees Celsius, that I will show you. And with that melting temperature of 750 degrees Celsius, you need to protect the silver with boraxine. I think I can show you now how to solder the top part. This little dot over here is silver solder. I'm going to place it on top of the key. Silver is a very good heat conductor, so I need to heat up the whole key before I can solder the top part of the key. Placing the silver solder on top. I'm going to heat up the whole key to about 700 degrees Celsius, and then I can solder the top part. It's about 700 degrees Celsius now, and now I'm going to heat up the top part so that I can solder the pendant eye. Here we are. Now soldering the pendant eye on top. The pendant eye on top is the last, is about seconds before the solder is melting. I can place the top part, because the top part, the pendant eye, is very thin in comparison of the whole key. So that's why you solder the pendant eye as last in the last few seconds. This is the Open Your Heart chastity key with the soldered top part.